Hey, what's happening, guys? So, I got this parcel sent to me from YouTube today. Pretty much a box here. Got my address, so I'm not gonna do the normal flip around. So let's see what we got in the box. Oh, gotcha. Oopsie. Okay, and then this side, got a gentler, hopefully. So if we open her up, in the box we have some papers. Oh wow. My YouTube channel name. Got YouTube, so for the Christmas tree, that is sick. Hey, nice. So I'll put that there. Boom. And then we got a letter. It says, "Hi creator, we want to take a moment to say thank you for engaging with the YouTube creator community this year. We cannot wait to see what 2025 holds for you. All the best, YouTube." Sick. And then one YouTube sweater made in the UK, XL. And there you have it. One YouTube XL sweater. That is very sick. Thank you very much, YouTube, as always, for sending all of that. I will definitely be using it this Christmas or this December period. Cool. Thanks for watching, guys.